what we're going to be looking at in this one. This is how to find the determinant of a matrix. Now, this is a 2 by 2 matrix, and it's called the matrix A. Now, there are two ways in which this can be written. Could be determinant A, as in det A, or this could be written as just A with straight lines beside it, as when we do the magnitude of a vector. So how we calculate this, we do 6 times 1, then we take that away from 2 times 3. Now this works out to be 0, because 6 times 1 is 6 and 2 times 3 is 0. The starting point on this is to do the leading diagonal, which is the one identified, 6 times 1, and then you do the second diagonal, which is 2 times 3. But remember, you always start with the leading diagonal, which is the 6 times 1. That's the one starting out from the top. So that's how we find the determinant of a matrix, and either notation is sufficient. Let's look at the next matrix. P equals 2, 5, negative 2, 3. Again, we can use a notation. So determinant of P equals, and now we do 2 times 3. So 2 times 3, take away 5 times negative 2. Again, the order that you multiply the diagonal is only important in the diagonal sense, but you can do 5 times negative 2 as well as 3 times 2. And so we have 6 take away negative 10. Now a negative and a negative meeting here will become a plus, so 6 plus 10 will give you 16. And that's how we find the determinant of that matrix. Find the determinant of the following sets of matrices to test your learning. Good luck. Alright, now we are going to be looking at how to find the adjoint of a matrix. The adjoint is another property of the matrix, and I'll take you through how to do this. So again, the notation is adj A. It doesn't matter, the notation is not a recognized one, but you can start off with adj A. Now adj A is a rearrangement of the matrix. So what we need to do is switch the leading diagonal. So notice I've done 1 and 6, and then change the sign on the other diagonal. Notice it becomes negative 3 and negative 2. So what you need to remember is, you look carefully, you need to switch the leading diagonal. So switch it. So 1 and 6 will be switched, and then what you need to do is change the signs along the other diagonal. Okay, here we will have another example to look at, which is P is now 2, 5, negative 2, 3. Again, adj P. Adj P becomes 3, 2. So switch, and then negative 5 and positive 2, because that was negative 2. And that's how you find the adjoint of the matrix. Now what you need to do now is try and find the adjoint of the following sets of matrices, and complete these and hand them in tomorrow for class.